I tried a lot. I motivated myself a lot. I tried many ways to learn English. Even I am not able to speak English. Even I am not able to speak fluently. I am not getting confidence. Why? Why does it happening with me? Does it happen with everyone? I don't know, but now I am fed up. I don't want to continue my journey because I think this is not my cup of tea. Now I want to give up. So friends, what do you think? Does it happens only with you? Not anyone else? No friends, it happens with everyone. It happens with every learner. It happens with everyone whatever they try to start anything else. So don't worry, it happens. But we don't find out the reason why it is happening, why we are not improving. We keep on thinking that we are not improving, why we are not improving, why we are not getting positive result. We think that we get the positive result as soon as possible. Same here, if I talk about learning English language, so we think we just start and within 1 month, 2 months, we will be perfect very soon. We think as we want the result as we switch on the fan and fan runs in one go, in 1 second. So we want result like this. We want result in 1 month, in 1 week. But it will not happen. It is not a possible. English language is time taking process, and we can't learn language, anything else in 1 week or 1 month or 2 months. But let me tell you one thing, that whenever we start something, so we start with enthusiasm. We start with positive vibes. But we don't have patience. We lose our patience very early. We want to result very fast and we frustrated. We lose our confidence within 2 months, 3 months, even 4. We lose our patience. But friends, we don't lose our patience. I think patience is the key to success. Yes, if you have a patience, so you definitely get your success. You will definitely get your goal. So we need to be patient. We should have patience. We should not think about that we are not getting fluency in English. We are not getting confidence. Think that time when you started, you was not able to speak a single word or single sentence. Even I hope you are speaking. In a day, if you are speaking 10 sentences, so it is better when you started. Now you are speaking 10 sentences. So you are giving your time. You are thinking how should I improve. You are thinking, so it is also a hard work. You are improving. It is called improvement. Don't think that we are not improving. No one can perfect in one go. Everything has a time taking process. And English also, it is also time taking process. How can you learn this language very early? No one can learn this language very early. So don't think that I can learn English. And yes, it depends on our practice also. Friends, it depends our practice, but we don't practice properly. We don't think that how much we are improved from our starting. We only think that we are not improving, we are not getting good, and that's why we don't practice properly. We don't care about the way how we are learning, our consistency, our problem, and we don't think that which aspects we are weak, We don't think about fear, our problem, what is our problem. We just do only few things, that we learned few meanings, we speak some sentences, and then we think that we are not improving. How can you improve by learning few meanings and speaking few sentences if you are not doing anything else? You are not creating atmosphere, you are not putting your efforts, you don't want to come out your comfort zone. If you want to learn English or anything else, so you have to come out your comfort zone. Without come out from your comfort zone, without giving any pressure to learn English, how can you learn? No, you have to pressurize yourself, you have to motivate yourself. And one more thing is that, friends, we keep on thinking that some people give me speech and then I will motivate it. No one can motivated you. No one come out to you from your demotivation. Every person can motivate it only by ourselves, by own self. Yes, I want to give you my example, because friends, when I decided to learn English, so before learning English, you know friends, what did I do? I used to pressurize to my husband that teach me, because he is a teacher of English. So I kept on saying him that teach me, and please help me how to speak, tell me the way. And I kept on saying like this, please, you are not teaching me and you are not helping me, and you can speak English enough, but even you are not teaching me. That time I got angry a lot on him, with him a lot, that you are not helping me. But now I realized that time I only said, please help me. Please means I used to think that you speak and you transferred everything in my mind, but I didn't do anything. I spoke 3 or 4 sentences and I thought that is enough, I can speak English. I used to think that why he is not making me motivated, why I got frustrated. But now I felt that motivation is nothing. Don't think that any person can help you come out from your demotivation. No, motivation is nothing. Motivation is inside you. Until you don't want to get motivated, no one get help you, no one get motivate you. So motivated yourself. If any person motivated you, so that motivation only remain 2 days, 4 days, 5 days. But if you motivate yourself, so it remains always with you. So help yourself, help you, okay? And don't fear about English. English is nothing. If you take it with positive vibes, so you will get positive result. So don't think that it is very tough, you are not improving, we are not getting positive result. No, everything give us a result. It's only depend our practice, our hard work. So it's depend only your practice. As much you practice, so you get more. If you practice less, so you get less. So it up to you. Properly practice and have a patience. Don't fear from English and faith in yourself. Everything is possible. If I can learn English, you can also learn English. And think positive, so result will be positive. So I think that's it for today. So if you like this video, so please subscribe me and keep practicing. Till then, bye bye.